નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી welcomes you all here.
Dear student friends, let's move ahead for the next figures of speech. The name of that figures of speech is apostrophe. When you listen this word apostrophe, at the time this identity would be there in your mind that what we are having in our writing system. This apostrophe S, whenever, wherever in a line apostrophe S is used, that line is the example of apostrophe. Is it so? No, it's not like that. That is wrong. That is wrong concept. Then what is apostrophe? Whenever there is a direct address to living or non-living aspect. Direct address. O west wind. This direct address is to the west wind. O west wind, come here, come near and spread the fragrance of my love. O west wind. O west wind means what? That is direct address. Direct address to west wind. What is west wind? That is non-living aspect. Whenever there is direct address to living, think for any prayer. One more song I'll tell you. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, तुझसे. Direct address is there. And direct address is to the living. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, हैरान हूँ मैं. Apostrophe. Apart from that, one more thing I'll tell you. And that is what? This is a shortcut key to you. Mostly all. Imperative sentence would be the best example for apostrophe. Any one imperative sentence you keep in your mind. That imperative sentence would be best example for apostrophe. All the prayers. Teri panah mein हमें रखना. Almighty, direct address is to the Almighty. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. What is this? Direct address. Whenever we are having direct address to anyone, whether living or non-living, oh west wind, come here, come near, and spread the fragrance of my love. What is this? This is the best example for apostrophe. Now we will move ahead with the tactual example from where we can get examples for a particular figures of speech, and that is apostrophe. Got the idea? Dear student friends, we will move ahead with the example from your 10th standard textbook, especially for the figures of speeches apostrophe. My dear, simply if you will concentrate here on the first two words, my dear. This is a direct address. My dear, could you love yourself alone? This is from your 10th poem. It is told to someone who is dear, for someone who is uttering these wordings. My dear, could you love yourself? We would love someone. That is correct. Could you love yourself? Direct address. And that direct address is equal to apostrophe. Next to that, don't bite your nails, Amanda. This is another shortcut key I'll give you. If a line is from Amanda, blank, think blindly, this line more or less would be apostrophe. Because each line is addressed to Amanda. This is from your 6th poem. Don't bite your nails. This is what in imperative sentence, negative imperative sentence. Just before that only I told, if imperative sentence is there, that is the best identity for apostrophe. Don't bite your nails, Amanda. Did you finish your homework, Amanda? Once again, this is also from your same poem. This is from your 6th poem, Amanda. Did you finish your homework, Amanda? This is direct addressed to Amanda. This is interrogative sentence, whatsoever it is. It is a direct address, and direct address is always with the apostrophe.
Dear student friends, this I give you for out of the text one poem. This poem is written by John Donne. It's told about the death. What's written here that we'll see. You see here, first word itself is written here, the death. Oh death, be not proud, don't make proud. Imperative sentence. Best example for apostrophe. Though some have called thee, thee is equal to you. This is Old English, and according to this Old English, it is written thee is equal to you. You have called, someone has called you, some people have called you. How you are? You feel that you are mighty and dreadful. You are mighty, you, death. Dreadful, fearful. But one thing I'll tell you, thou means you. Thou means you. But you are not so. Imperative sentence, direct address to the death. But you are not so. For those whom thou means you think you do overthrow. You are told to go somewhere else. You means the death. Die not, poor death, oh poor death. We don't die. Or one more thing I'll tell you, and nor yet canst means can't. Thou means you who kill me. Me means a person, a man. You can't kill a person. Oh poor death. This is fact. This is the poem written by John Donne. This is a small poem, but the entire poem is the best example for apostrophe. Entire poem is direct address to the death. In this way, so many other examples also you will get from your own text, and with that only you would be able to identify apostrophe. Got the idea? Apart from this, if you have any doubt for apostrophe, you can ask me. You can find out other examples also from your text. Even so many film songs also you can take with the example. One more song I'll tell you. मेरे हम सफर, मेरे हम सफर. This is what? This is direct address. मेरे पास आ, मेरे पास आ. Please come here. Direct address to living being. मेरे हम सफर, मेरे हम सफर, मेरे पास आ, मेरे पास आ. Next to that, directly imperative sentence. हमें साथ चलना है उम्र भर. I also, I myself would be also included with you. मेरे पास आ, मेरे पास आ, मेरे पास आ. Repetition, repetition, repetition. So many others also would be there with this, but one thing is very clear, and that is what? Best example for apostrophe. Got the idea? Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.